All you need is this to make cute and pretty Rakhi in minutes. Most importantly, the stones. Start with doubling the yarn of desired length. Now make a slip knot. Add the hook and start by chaining 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just like that till we get 19 chains. Now it looks something like this. Now through the other end, with the help of a needle, add 3 beads of any color of your choice. Pull them down to our chain 19. Now by taking the beads one by one, chain 1. Now take the other bead down, chain 1, and the same again. Now this makes the center part of our Rakhi. It's almost done, and now finish it by chaining 19 again to make the other end. And just like that it's done, and it looked like this with different colors. I also made these cute Rakhis which I'll be posting soon. Do subscribe for more.